Hey everybody, get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, 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 super excited everybody. I'm back. Today I'm doing a makeup look and an outfit. Get excited folks, wait till you see this outfit. I got so many reviews and comments on Facebook. But check out the makeup look and stay to the end because you'll see the outfit. Get excited everybody. Later, later, later. Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. Hey everybody, I'm back. So today I decided that I'm going to come on and do a video. Guess what? They want to do construction around here. But anyway, I'm going to do this look, and then at the end, I'm going to show you fashion. So it's going to be makeup and fashion. Get excited, everybody. So I'm going to go in the Balm palette, and I'm going to use this burgundy out of here. And I'm just going to use it in the crease area. And I'm going to dab it on like so. In the crease area, everybody. Like so, like so, like so, like so. Get excited. I'm going to make a V like this. And I'm going to do it like that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take some more of that burgundy, and I'm going to go like, not all the way over, but right about here. And I'm dabbing it, as you can see. Like so. Get excited, everybody. So I'm excited about doing this look. I'm excited to be back on YouTube. Get excited, everybody. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and I'm just going to dab it on like that. I'm not going all the way over in the crease area. So now I'm going to use some green out of the cargo palette, and it looks like this. And I'm going to dab it on just like so. Like this. And I'm going to go right about here. And dab, 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 and build the color. Build the color, people. Build the color, build the color, build the color. Get excited. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Like so. And I'm just going to blend, and I'm going to come right about to here with it. Okay, folks? So make sure you blend your shadow and dab it on like you see me doing, okay? That prevent creasing. Get excited. So the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to go back in this cargo palette. And I'm going to use this champagne gold right here. And the reason I'm doing this because my eyes are starting to get a lot of fine lines. So put a shimmer all over my eyes, make the fine lines pop out more. So I'm just gonna do like this. I'm using this kind of brush. I'm just gonna apply it right in here and blend right into the green. And you have to blend your colors. Don't forget to blend your colors. Blend, 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 blend. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the black out the cargo, and I'm just going to dab right here. Just a little more, just to intensify it a little more. Just like that. Look at that. Look nice, right? It's getting deep and get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. Get excited about life, folks. Get excited. So I'm going to use like this fuchsia color, it's like a purple out of the cargo. And I'm just going to go right along here, like so. I'm going to apply a little at a time because I don't want it too thick. So that's just to blend down that harsh line, like so. And do the other side as well. Let's take down that harsh line with this. Get excited, everybody. So if you have not checked out my other video that I dropped last week regarding the first summer bronze look I did on YouTube, which they took down, I recreated it last week. Go check it out. Go check it out. Go check it out. Like so. Look at that, folks. Look at that. I'm going to come back and do an updated brow look because brows frame the face and then make your makeup look pop, 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 pop. Get excited, everybody. How that look? Tell me what you guys think. Get excited. So now I'm going to use my liquid liner. Wring this out. I like mine to be thick. And I'm just going to go right into here like that. Wring it out. Get excited, everybody. Like so. And if you're a mature woman, this help pulls back the face. You can always do like a wing out. Pulls back, take age from around the eye area. Like so. Tell me what you think. If you have done so already, hit the thumbs up button, like the video, comment below, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you know when my videos will pop up, folks. Get excited, folks. Look at that. Nice. See how it pulls it back, pulls it back, pulls it back, folks. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Nice, right? So I'm going to take some blue liner and just line the bottom. So you see the difference with the blue liner and without? Blue brighten up the eye area, folks. Check it out. Bright. Now I'm going to use my favorite Floria Rabbit cream to powder foundation. And I'm going to just, I already put the bittersweet on, but I'm just going to use the darker shade just to lift up my cheekbone area. So I'm going to draw a line like that, and I'm going to just blend the rest of it down like so. Just to give it a lift, like so. I'm looking in my mirror. There we go, that's better. Just to lift. Blend it down, blend it down, blend it down, blend. Sorry for the shakiness, blend it down. Like so. Get excited, everybody. I'm gonna take that same mocha and I'm just gonna go down the nose area like that. Like so. Just to change, just to thin it out some. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. And of course, you know, guys, I'm getting ready to highlight with this. It's Floria Rabbit Golden Bronze. It's an eyeshadow, but I'm using it as a highlight. And you can use it as that too. So I'm just going to put some on the nose area like that. I'm going to go up the middle. Let me add a little more. Like so. I can get heavy-handed with this, honey, because I love it. Blend it out like that. I'm not going to do the cheek area like I did in the last video. You guys can go check that out. I'm going to put some on the chin. Maybe a little more. So I'm just focusing on the center of the face, and I'm going to blend, 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 blend. You want to blend this, okay, folks? Blend. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. Get super, super, super excited. Every time I wear my head wrap, they think I'm a Muslim. I have nothing against Muslim, but I get favor when I go in the stores with this head wrap, boy. Get excited. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender and just tap it all over my face. I'm not going to use any powder. Powder dries my skin out and I can't stand it. And this helps me a lot. So I'm going to use two lipsticks, and they matte lipsticks. I don't know the name of this one, but this one, the first one is an NYX. I love pink lips. It does something on chocolate skin. Get excited, folks. I'm gonna take the other one. I'm just gonna put it in the center. I don't want to fade my lipstick out too much. Like so. Just a little. Tell me what you think, folks. Get excited, folks. Get excited, folks. Get excited, folks. That complete the look. That complete the look. So stay tuned for the outfit. Get excited, everybody.
Follow me, 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 yeah, follow me. I'm hoping to see the day when my people can all relate. We must stop fighting to achieve the peace that was taught in our country. We shall all be free. Follow me. Why don't you follow me to a place?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.